How do I use NFC on iPhone 11?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about how to use NFC on your iPhone 11. NFC, or Near Field Communication, is a technology that allows devices to communicate with each other by simply bringing them close together. The iPhone 11 has built-in NFC capabilities, and in this video, I'll show you how to use it effectively. Let's get started.
Enabling NFC on iPhone 11.
The first step to using NFC on your iPhone 11 is to ensure that it is enabled. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 11. 2. Scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode or Face ID and Passcode, depending on your iPhone model. 3. Enter your passcode or use Face ID, Touch ID to authenticate. 4. Scroll down and find the NFC option. 5. Make sure the NFC toggle is turned on. It should be green. Great! Now that NFC is enabled on your iPhone 11, let's move on to the next section to learn how to use it.
Using NFC for contactless payments.
One of the most common uses of NFC on the iPhone 11 is for contactless payments using Apple Pay. Here's how you can use NFC to make payments. 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone 11. 2. If you haven't set up Apple Pay, you'll be prompted to add a card. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your credit or debit card to Apple Pay. 3. Once your card is added, hold your iPhone 11 near an NFC-enabled payment terminal at a store. 4. On your iPhone 11, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. 5. You'll hear a sound and feel a vibration when the payment is successful. That's it. You've successfully used NFC on your iPhone 11 for contactless payments using Apple Pay.
Using NFC for other actions.
Apart from contactless payments, NFC on the iPhone 11 can be used for other actions as well, such as scanning NFC tags or interacting with other NFC-enabled devices. Here's how you can use NFC for these purposes. 1. To scan an NFC tag, simply hold your iPhone 11 near the tag. If there is an action associated with the tag, such as opening a website or launching an app, your iPhone will prompt you accordingly. 2. To interact with other NFC-enabled devices, such as Bluetooth speakers or headphones, follow the device-specific instructions for NFC pairing. In most cases, you'll need to bring your iPhone 11 close to the device and follow the on-screen prompts. Remember, the specific functionalities and actions may vary depending on the apps or accessories you're using. Always refer to the instructions provided by the app or device manufacturer for the best results. Congratulations! You've learned how to use NFC on your iPhone 11. We covered enabling NFC, using it for contactless payments with Apple Pay, scanning NFC tags, and interacting with other NFC-enabled devices. NFC is a convenient technology that opens up possibilities for various interactions with compatible devices and accessories. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.